What's up? Today I'm here with YGwigs again. I've tried them out a couple times before and the wig quality was pretty good. So it's the same packaging as before. I got it in a drawstring bag, has their website listed. Also got a box, same thing is on the box, same design. And when I open the box, I see the wig. Before I get to that, let's see what else we got. So I got like a headband. I love the design already. I love the colors. Definitely screams springtime. You know what? I love these headbands so much because they have a lot, like you can fold it up to however, like the length that you want it to be. I have a couple of these already and it's so nice. I love this. Alright, then I also got two more of these clips, which you guys know I love getting these. And I also got a wig cap, and that's the final thing in the box. We have a 5x5 lace closure wig, and this is 20 inches long. It's a loose wave texture and it's 100% in density. All right, it's also a natural color that we're working with. This is really soft. Love that. Oh, and it feels very full right throughout the wig. That I can appreciate. Also, with a 5x5 closure wig, it gives me so much more, what would you say now, room to style the hair as opposed to a 4x4. 4x4 is way less space, but it can still be finessed. Don't get me wrong. Either one of them, but this has so much more space. It's like you can easily look like it's a frontal instead of a closure. So oh, it came with a parting. Well, it's actually free part, but they just kind of parted it, and it's actually on the side that I like wearing it. I should wear it on this side today because I'm always doing a center part on the closure wigs, but you can actually, like a 5x5, you can get away with a nice side part. So this looks good though. It's really a medium brown lace. Yeah, and this is how the inside looks. It has 3 combs in total and adjustable straps. Yeah, I love this. Love the length, love how full it is. Any shedding? I got one strand. I got another strand. So there is minimal shedding right out of the package. Yeah, definitely. So there's a little shedding, not a lot. Alright, but I'm going to jump into applying this right now. And guys, this is nicely pre-plucked. That's lovely, so nice. I literally just take the combs in on the side and stick in my braid, so that will be secure there anyways. And then I'm literally just going to start laying this with my Got To Be spray.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking.
Definitely looks like a frontal. Nobody can tell you that. This is a closure. Like, what? You see me running my fingers through the hair. I'm just here thinking if I really want to wet it up or just, you know, because leave it as is, because it's so nice and full, you know. It's really nice and full. You could definitely go ahead and rock this without getting it wet at all. At all. I feel like I want to leave it. It's so nice and fluffy. I love this. And it looks so much like a frontal. It's nice and laid. It's not bulky. The hair is soft. I'm not getting, let me see, let me check again. I'm not getting anything from it. No, I got one strand here. As you guys saw in the initial unboxing, I did get a couple strands, so very minimal shedding right out of the box. It's not tangling or anything. I mean, that's expected. It's brand new hair, but it laid really nice. YGwigs, this is gorgeous. I definitely recommend this if you're looking for a nice 5x5 closure loose wavy wig. I'm gonna put all the information to this wig in my description box as usual, and the direct link where you can go ahead and purchase it if you're interested in getting it for yourself. I love it. I love it, and I've come to the conclusion that I'm not going to wet it up for today's look. You guys know, the wet look already. I did that for my last loose wavy hair. I'm gonna keep it as is because I'm loving the fluff. I am loving the volume, the fluff. It's cute. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's look, guys. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was informative, if you like the wig, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, keep up with me over by my vlog channel at PETITE-SUE TV, and follow me on Instagram. It's always on the screen, so go ahead and, well, not always, it come up on the screen from time to time, but yeah, follow me at Petite Essence on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and wake up with yourself.
I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know what you want, fall in deep love with me.